Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. See, as I have already explained you in my monthly video that there is two pattern forming. Okay, this one particular pattern is since 2012 to 2020. Okay, and the another pattern what we can see here is from 2020 to 2022. Okay, after that what we have seen, there is a continuous downfall. Okay, and suppose this is the handle and this particular cup handle, if it goes above a level of around 1834, then what we can see, there will be high chances that it can form a cup pattern, and from there we can see it can go further upside. Okay, and the second thing, you have to note down this thing, 1834 is a point. If this level sustain, we can see a probability of moving further upside. Second is that it has already made a low of around $1679. Okay, and keep this in mind, 1679 is a support which is already a weak support. So what we can see, this level can go further down because this is a weak support. So probability will be very high that if this level goes further down, then we can see it can touch a level of 1670, and this 1670 is again a weak support. So probability will be very high, we can see it can move further down and can touch a level of 1657. Keep this in mind. If the price fall below a level of 1659, not below, if it comes close to this particular level 1679, we can see it can fall from this particular level and can touch a level of 1670, which is again a weak support. So probability is high, we can see it can touch this particular level. So what you have to keep in mind, the second thing, that if the price comes close to 1679, there is a probability we can see it can touch a level of 1657. Now before we move forward ahead, if you have any doubt, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work in gold and other commodities, even forex, and a telegram link also I have given in the description. You can join that too. Now look at the chart. First of all, I will tell you if it create an resist this particular support, we can see it can go further upside, but a probability is very high, we can see it can move further down. Now suppose if this particular level sustain, what we can see, if this particular level sustain, we can see it can go further high towards a level of $1730. Okay, and if this level goes high, then we can see it can go towards a level of 1745. Okay, and 1745 is a weak resistance. Keep this in mind, 1745 is a weak resistance, so probability is high, we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of $1753. Okay, and once the price goes above $1753, then there is a higher probability we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of around $1779. Okay, you have to keep all these things in mind and follow a proper thing. Like if you are in profit, you have to keep trailing your SL so that you should not lose your profit that particular amount. Okay, so keep on trailing your SL, so that the thing is that you have to set a certain points or certain amounts, so that if price comes to that particular level, you can exit from that point. Okay, now suppose if this particular level sustain 1779, we can see it can move further upside towards a level of around 1790. Okay, and if that level goes upside, then we can see it can go further high and can touch a level of around, from 1800 it can cross and can touch a level of around $1804. Okay, and once the price goes above this particular level, then there is a higher probability we can see it can go further upside, and a probability of touching more high towards a level of around 1820 is there, and from there we can see it can move further upside. Okay, so you have to keep this in mind. The price goes above 1820, then there is a probability that we can see a pattern forming, that is around cup pattern forming. So probability is high, we can see it can move further upside. Now understand something, what a trend is continuously down in a descending order. Okay, so what we can see, if this particular level didn't sustain, which is at a higher probability, if this particular level didn't sustain, at a level of $1695. Okay, and if the price fall below this particular level, then we can see it can touch a level of $1689. Okay, and from there what we can see, it can further down towards a level of $1679. Okay, because 1689 is again is already a weak support, so probability probability is high, we can see it can touch a level of 1679. Okay, so once the price fall below this particular level, then there is a higher probability that we can see it can touch a level of around 1670. Okay, and this 1670 is a weak support, so probability is high, we can see it can move further low and can touch a level of around 1657. Okay, so once the price fall below this particular level, then there is a higher probability we can see it can move further down and can touch a level of around 1651. Okay, so once the price fall below 1651, then there is a higher probability that it can move for 51. Then the next support we can see is coming at around $1631. Okay, so suppose if the price fall below that particular level, then we can see it can move further low and can touch a level of 1611. After 1637, we can see it can touch a level of $1611. Okay, and if the price fall below that level, then there is a higher probability we can see it can move further low and can touch a level of $1585, and from there we can see it can move further down. Okay, if the price fall below 1585, I'll make another video explaining you where it can move. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.